Welcome to naming covalent compounds. In this lesson, you will learn how to properly use the prefix system to name molecular compounds. This system helps chemists communicate clearly about compounds made up of two or more nonmetal elements. Mastering the rules and understanding the logic behind each step will enable you to name these compounds correctly and confidently. Covalent compounds are chemical substances formed when two or more nonmetal elements share electrons. Instead of transferring electrons, like in ionic compounds, these atoms bond together by sharing electron pairs. For this reason, these substances are also called molecular compounds, since they exist as distinct molecules rather than as large networks. To name covalent compounds, we use Greek prefixes to show the number of each type of atom present in the molecule. For 1, use the prefix mono. For 2, use di. For 3, use tri. 4 is tetra. 5 is penta. And 6 is hexa. These prefixes come before the element name to tell us how many atoms of each element are in the compound. Higher numbers also use Greek prefixes. 7 is hepta. 8 is octa. 9 is none, and 10 is deca. By learning these prefixes up to 10, you will be able to name most common covalent compounds. First, write the name of the first element. Only use a prefix for the first element if there is more than one atom of that element. Next, write the name of the second element, but change its ending to "ide." Always use a prefix for the second element, even if there is only one atom. These simple rules will be used for all covalent compounds. Let us see how these rules are applied. The chemical formula CO2 is named carbon dioxide. The prefix D is used to show there are 2 oxygen atoms. N₂O₄ is named dinitrogen tetroxide. The prefix D is used for the 2 nitrogen atoms and tetra for the 4 oxygens. Here are more examples to practice. SF6 is called sulfur hexafluoride. The prefix hexa shows there are 6 fluorine atoms. P₂O₅ becomes diphosphorus pentoxide. The prefix D stands for 2 phosphorus atoms and penta is for 5 oxygen atoms. When a prefix ending with an O or an A comes before a word starting with a vowel, drop the final O or A from the prefix to make pronunciation easier. For example, it is monoxide, not monoxide. Also, remember that the prefix mono is often left out for the first element. These small adjustments help make compound names easier to say and understand.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.